What's going on, fellow squids? Today I'm headed out to the lot to get some practice in. I'm gonna do a few drills and then I'm gonna hit the road for some road practice. So here's a captain from episode 1. I'm now learning to ride again after 15 years. I don't have my license, so I'm practicing at our favorite lot, doing some maneuvers and stuff that will be acquired on the license test. So that's what I'm doing. And I also mentioned there's like 4 of us, and 4 of us are trying to get bikes next season. So we bought an old CB 750 to learn to ride on this season, and then next season we'll be all getting new bikes. So we're looking at Harley Davidson and we're looking at Indian. Me specifically, I got some pretty long legs, so I'm looking at either the Lowrider S in the Softail family or the Indian Chief Dark Horse with forward controls. I also mentioned in that same episode 1, following Dan the fireman's techniques and tips for riding in traffic and riding in general on the streets. One of those would be checking your mirrors, keeping a safe following distance from the vehicle in front of you. When stopped at intersections, keep your eye on the cars behind you coming up. If they don't stop, you'll be able to get out of danger depending on where you park in relation to the car in front of you. So it's tips like that I've been taking and using. So in this video, I will also be showing you my figure eights at the lot, which aren't the best, but I'm going to be practicing at a lot anyway. And then we're going to go out on the road and we're going to take and use some of Dan's techniques for stopping behind vehicles and stuff. So one of those techniques where it's coming to a stop using one foot, keeping one foot on the brake, making sure you're in first gear, and moving on from a stop. So here again is the lot we practice at, and I'm going to take my gear out and we're going to get practicing, so I'll see you. Got more than enough room now.
Moments later.
try weaving in and out of these cones. Try on this end first. Ooh, that's too tight. And it came off. Let's try it again. Nope, too tight. I won't make it. It's too tight. I gotta go every other. It's too tight. That's a lot better. That was too fast. That was too fast. Gonna have 5 miles an hour. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Pretty good. That's at 10 miles an hour. That's at 12 miles an hour. That's at 13 miles an hour. Alright, that's enough. Time to get on the road, it's getting late. Well, it's time to hit the road again. Let's go get some street practice in now.
All I know is I just need up. All I know is you just need up. All I know is we just meet up. All I know is you just meet up.
So I'm stopped behind this car, keeping a good following distance. I'm watching the car behind me. My foot is covering the rear brake, and I have one foot planted firmly on the ground. I have my clutch depressed, my front brakes a little in, and I'm ready to go. I was in first gear already. Watching this car coming up from the right. He stopped. Stand in my mirrors. Car behind me, keeping a nice following distance. And I'm keeping a nice following distance from the vehicle in front of me. The light is green and we are ready to go.
Run it back. Because I'm always deceiving. I always say I'm fine, but that's not the true meaning. The walls are caving in and it leaves more feelings. But the only one that matters is I won't be defeated. But keep talking, pray that I lost it. I keep it cool, my attitude is defrosted. And I'm intending to bring a revolution. If first you made a problem, the first few solutions. So let's march towards the hills. Let's march.
But anyway, guys, enjoy the view, and thanks for watching. Peace out.